Two people killed in Manchester Armed Robberies. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two men were shot in separate armed robberies incident in Manchester on Friday night. The police have named the deceased men as Dwayne Carter, aged 36 years old, a construction worker from Joblin, Christiana, Manchester, and Tafari Barrett, aged 33 years old, a farmer of Huddersfield district near Christiana. In the first incident, it is reported that at about 10 p.m., Carter was among patrons at a club in Savoy near Christiana in Manchester when five gunmen held up the club and robbed the people of cash and cell phone and also liquor. A bag was demanded from Carter. He resisted and was shot. The police said a female was taken by one of the gunmen outside the club and sexually assaulted. In the second incident in Huddersfield about 10:30 p.m., Barrett was among patrons at a bar when two men, one armed with a handgun, entered and robbed patrons. The police said that after the men robbed Barrett of his phone, he ran and was shot in the head. Since Monday, Manchester has recorded murders nightly, with 5 people being killed up to Friday. The Manchester police have since commenced a probe into both incidents. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.